It's me, Sergio!
The first thing I want to speak about is how there's three Big Bangs, and we all kind of only talk about one because it's the only one that really gets credit. I think there's actually three. Basically the first one, the one that everyone talks about, is nothingness to everything, right? Where this all came from. So that's pretty crazy, and everyone freaks out about how that happened. I don't really care how it happened. The fact that it happened is what I'm all about. But we know what happened, right? We know what happened. This is here. It came. There's another two that happened that are really crazy. And I think each one is like more crazy. Nothingness becoming matter is crazy, right? All the stars, all the planets, wherever the hell that came from, it came from something. And then there was all this matter. But matter is just matter. Then, though, matter became life. That one is where matter becomes life, and it's just as screwed up as the first one, probably more so, because we don't look at matter as being life, right? Matter is just matter, it's just nothing, right? It's lifeless matter that became life, meaning like carbon, water, whatever the hell the ingredients were or are, there are ingredients, and they could, I don't think they have yet, but they will, because it's possible, they're close to making life from matter. So that's crazy. Matter wanted to become life, and it did. And life is not matter. Life is cells that split and reproduce and feed themselves and try to stay alive, and they're autonomous. Not matter at all, but matter became life. Insane. And no one ever thinks about it. Next insane one is the third one, where life becomes consciousness. Now that cell, they became animals and humans and things with brains. Cells that are just cells, like your skin, became things that could think. And they just wanted to become things that could think. And that's crazy. That one is the craziest one. This cell, this life, became consciousness. Right now, we're consciously communicating to each other. My thoughts are just coming to your thoughts through a screen. It's really crazy. I'm going to speak about that one in a future video. What I'm getting at in all this is that whether you believe in evolution or not, things want to get better. And that's what's really crazy about everything. It wants to get better. It's not just humans that want to get better, but we know humans want to get better, right? You are motivated by doing good things. Like, you just feel good when you, I don't know, went to the gym and you did more reps than you did last week, or I don't know, when you got an A+ and you got an A last year, or you made 60,000 this year and you made 50,000 last year. You just feel good about getting better. And like, it's not money, it's just everything. And that's humans, but the thing is, so do animals. The thing is, so do plants. The thing is, so did matter, because that's what this all is. It's an energy that's the same, that wants to get better, and that energy is in you, and it wants to always get better. It's not in you. You are that energy, and it wants to get better. That's why you want to get better. And you know what? It's not just getting better. Everything gets better, right? Like, in the long run, everything always gets better, and that's what evolution is. But if you don't believe in evolution, whatever. But I mean, you can't not believe in things get better, right? Because that's all evolution is, things getting better. And the thing is, it's not humans, it's everything that has always wanted to get better, and it always does get better. You are that energy, you are life, right? You are part of this, and you and the plant and the tree and the rabbit and the desk, like, the matter, it's all the same thing, okay? It really, really is. And when you really study science and you really think about it, it makes so much sense, and it's the only thing that makes sense. So what this really leads to, which is really cool, is that you have no choice but to be great. And I'm going to explain what that means.